This is PSL for Monday, February 8th. When you're trying to write an equation when given a graph, you need to find the slope and the y-intercept. To find the slope, you start at the point on the left, and you're going to go how many you go up or down. In this case, we're going up, so we know it's a positive slope, and we're going up 4, and then over 3. So the slope would be 4 over 3. Now our y-intercept, that's going to be where it crosses the y-axis. Remember, the y-axis is the one that goes up or down. So right there is where the y-intercept is going to be, which is the point 2. Now remember, when we're writing our equation, we have y equals mx plus b. M is our slope, and b is our y-intercept. So now all you have to do is plug those two numbers into your equation, and you've got your line. The equation for that line, which is y equals my slope, which is 4/3, x plus my y-intercept, which is 2. Now looking at this next one, you don't have some points, but we can put some on. We can put one on right there, and put one on right there, and then we can count. And this time we're going down into the right, so we know already it's going to be a negative slope. So if we count, we're going down 3 over 2. So it'd be 3 over 2. Then our y-intercept is going to be again where it crosses the y-axis, which is that point right there, which is at the point 3. Actually negative 3, because it's below the x-axis. So when writing that equation, we just plug that in. Y equals my slope, negative 3 over 2, x, plus my b. This is a negative, so I can just put minus 3. Now finding the area and circumference of a circle with a diameter of 4 inches. So if you have a diameter of 4 inches, you got to think about what's the radius. Remember, the radius is going to be half the diameter. So it's 2 inches. So then to find the circumference, all we need to do is take circumference is 2 pi r. So circumference is 2 pi times 2, which that's going to be 4 pi. And if you multiply that out, you'll get 12.6 inches. Now finding the area, though, remember area is pi r squared. So area equals pi 2 squared. 2 squared is 4, so again we have 4 pi. That's okay, you can have it be the same. So the area is going to also be 12.6, but the inches are going to be squared because it's area. Now to find the volume of a cylinder, remember it's the area of the base, that's what the big B stands for, times the height of the prism. Well, the base in this case is a circle. The height is going to be right there. It's going to be your 12 feet. So now we have to find the area of the base. Remember, the area of a base, the base is a circle. Well, area of a circle is pi r squared. Pi, my radius is 3.4. And we're going to square that. So 3.4 squared is going to be 11.56 pi. I'm just going to leave it with pi right now. That way it's more accurate when we get done. Because to find the volume, now I'm going to take that base, that 11.56 pi, and multiply it times the height, which is 12. When you do that, you get 11.56 pi times 12, and you get the volume as 435.8 feet. And volume, remember, is cubed.